Let's draw a flower bouquet. First, draw the handle of the bouquet. Make a rectangle shape at the bottom for the handle. Next, draw the wrapping paper above the handle. Make it spread out to the sides with some folded lines, so it looks like paper wrapping the flowers. After that, draw a few flowers on top of the wrapping paper. Make 3-petal flowers with a small circle in the middle. Lastly, add a decorative ribbon at the bottom of the wrapping paper, right above the handle. Let's start coloring. Color the first flower with red. Then, use bright pink for the center. For the second flower, color it yellow. Then, use bright pink for the center. And for the third flower, use blue. Then, use bright pink for the center. Next, color the bouquet wrapper with soft pink. Next, add a little decoration on the bouquet.